Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews.
So today,
we're going to be unboxing the Blackmagic eGPU.
And this is from Blackmagic Design.
So this eGPU has a Radeon Pro 580 graphics card. And this is typically used for computers that don't have a specific GPU, instead maybe integrated graphics with their CPU. This is useful for them if they have maybe higher things like editing, or they want to game on their same computer.
And also, this is only for Mac. So it says up front over here, it's Mac only, so it doesn't work with other ones.
So this GPU, it's going to be used with our Mac Mini because the Mac Mini graphics aren't the greatest. They have the Intel integrated 630 if I'm not wrong, and those aren't the greatest graphics. So we usually edit on that, and when rendering, it takes such a long time to render it due to how the thing doesn't have enough power.
The GPU. So this is like, if you see
this, you can see it's in a star shape. It's silver. This comes with two Thunderbolt 3 ports. Here you guys can see 4 USB-A ports and one HDMI port. This also has a Radeon Pro 580, which is different from the Radeon RX 580 because that's usually for Windows. This is different from that.
And this is big. It is super big.
So the box looks huge right now. I don't know how big it's gonna be from the inside, but we'll see.
And also, you can use it for VR. And what else does it say? And for gaming.
So if we wanted to connect our Oculus 2, so go see that video right now, or later I guess, we could connect it with this, play, get games from their app, and play from the computer. So that's those sides here. And on the back, it shows the performance differences. This shows for DaVinci Resolve because that's what Blackmagic owns. We don't know about the other ones. So that's about it, and now we open.
And so we have a Thunderbolt 3 to Thunderbolt 3 cable, and this is a power cable for it. So it has that 3 and that.
So that's what was in the box, and now you guys can see the eGPU. This thing is
big.
This is as big as about 2 of my hands.
It is 2 of my hands.
That's huge. So in pictures, it looks smaller than it actually is. You guys can see it's in a gray stainless steel, and over here are all the ports. So this here is the power, the 2 USB-Cs, USB-As, HDMI.
And the HDMI. So got the Mac Mini, and so we have the USB-C cable, and now you can.
So like you see here, this is the Mac Mini. Also go watch that video over there. We did an unboxing on this some time back. So this is a Mac Mini. This came out in 2018. Like we said before, it doesn't have the best graphics. And this thing here, you guys can see it's a little bit more than half of it. So you can't just reach down and put that on top. On the back of the Mac Mini, we have 4 USB-C ports. And over here, we also have USB-C. So we can let's just take this wire, just because it came with it. You plug this into here, and this into the Mac Mini. And now these are connected, and this should be able to read it, and you shouldn't need to download drivers or anything. And now you get an HDMI, put it from here into the display you're gonna use. Okay, so it does take up 1 USB-C port on this, but on the eGPU, it makes up for it with the USB-A and an extra USB-C that might be able to be used with this. To put 2 displays, you probably wouldn't be able to do it with this, since this only has 1 HDMI. And so this is pretty cool. It also looks very cool.
Yes.
So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
I'm gonna hit the bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.